guys, it's Giridhar here for Phonalicious, and today in this video, let me talk to you about a new mobile phone from Comio, the Comio X1 Note. Comio mobile phones in India have been doing well in the north, but now they have also expanded their network to the south and the east markets. As a starter, they have launched this Comio X1 Note in the south. So in this video, let me talk to you about this Comio X1 Note. This mobile phone has got a 6-inch Full HD display with an 18:9 aspect ratio full view display. It has got a dual camera setup with 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera at the back and an 8 megapixel front camera with flash. It is running on a quad-core MediaTek processor. It has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. It has got dual SIM card slot and a dedicated SD card slot. It also comes with face unlock apart from the fingerprint sensor, which is placed at the back. The design of the mobile phone is unique and stylish. It looks like a glossy metal body mobile phone, but it is actually a plastic body mobile phone, and because of the material used here, the mobile phone is very light in weight and has a slim form factor to it. It is very convenient to hold in the hand. At the bottom you have a micro USB port and the top is a 3.5mm audio jack. On one side is the power button and the other side is the volume rocker. The mobile phone is running on Android 8.0 and it will be soon updated to Android 8.1. It has 2900 mAh battery. Apart from the face unlock feature, it also has intruder selfie feature, which clicks a selfie of the intruder who is trying to unlock a mobile phone without your knowledge. The fingerprint sensor is also versatile. Apart from unlocking the mobile phone, it can be used to pick the calls, click a picture or access applications. Each finger can be programmed to open up an application. It has notification LED and also call recording feature in it. The mobile phone also supports dual account apps. So with all this feature packed in, this mobile phone is priced at Rs 9,999. It will be available at retail stores exclusively. The mobile phone will be available in royal blue and sunrise gold. In my opinion, the royal blue looks really good. But this is just my first impression. I'll have to spend a little more time with this mobile phone with come up with a review. Let me know what you think of this mobile phone in the comment section below, and I'll catch up with you on the next video. Until then, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.